Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, go ahead and like and subscribe and click the bell to get a notification when my next beading video is coming up. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing some beads. So let me quickly get my scissors to open the box and see what we got. Wow, these are very nice colors. All of these are so bright. Did not expect it to be this colorful. So the size I got is size 11 or 2mm. When I started learning, many of the people say that this is the best. I can see the holes are slightly big, which is good for the needles, but wow, these are such bold and beautiful colors. So we got this golden yellow. We got what looks like a peach color. That's new. A nice dark pink. Bright yellow. I like this yellow. This is very nice. Like a neon almost. Light blue. And then we got like a dark blue. Yeah, this is dark blue. We got a brown orange. Dark green. This looks like a dark red. Then we got red. Wow, this is a nice bright yellow green. This is my mom's favorite color. She's going to really like these color beads. Then we have a bright pink as well and white. These three look like a very good combination. And of course we got black. So these are all the colors. The other beads I got is more transparent. So I got these beads because they are more bolder and they look nicer when doing designs. So now we just have to put them in their containers. So here are the containers. Let's take them one by one out. There we go. So I've got my scissors to open the packet and I'll be starting off with black. Like this. Here is the black color. Keep that in the container. Next I'll be doing the white. So I'll be doing the rest of the colors and I'll be back when I reach the last one. So here is the last one. And here are all of the colors. All 15 of them. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.